Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Treats from Mexico. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you go check out our website at treatsfrommexico.blogspot.com and you'll see our whole collection of videos. Today we're back to the treats of the food treats. We're back to talking about food treats from Mexico, and today's all about the mango. Mango is probably one of the best fruits you can ever put in your mouth, in many people's opinion, in my opinion also. And here's a guy that we have here in Mexico that you don't see in the United States, and all he does is sell mangoes. And his name is Pepe, and there are guys like this all around Mexico pushing their carts around, and they are I'm going to show you what it looks like right here. Pepe is there with his cart, and he's helping people out. And what I just bought from Pepe was this. It's a fully prepared it's a fully prepared mango cup. So it's got tahini, it's got a chili sauce, it's got salt, it's got all sorts of things. And I think that's probably one of the best treats you can put in your mouth when you're in Mexico. So now we're going to watch Pepe. We're going to watch him make one. A shout out goes to my daughter Madeline. She could probably survive off of nothing but mangoes, and this episode is dedicated to her. Now, first Don Pepe starts off with fresh mango, and he takes that and he shoves an ice pick into the seed so that he can handle that slippery mango. If you've ever handled mangoes before, then you know they're slipperier than a wet bar of soap. And then you're going to take the peel off, because you can't eat the peel of a mango, so all that peel has to come off. Once all the peel is taken off, then he lops off huge chunks into the cup, and then he puts all the seasoning in. And first comes the salt, just a little sprinkle of salt, and then tahini. You can buy tahini in the grocery store. It's a salt and chile mix. Then comes chamoy. Now chamoy is a mango base, and then I add chili to it, and then lime juice, and it's a condiment that they use to dip fruits in. It's really good. It's a liquid though. Then comes the Miguelito, and Miguelito is kind of like chamoy, but it's got a sugar base. It's dry. And then finally comes the lime sauce. Whew, that's good. Alright guys, here we are with the finished product, and it is mango with all sorts of, and I'm videoing this myself, so you're gonna have to bear with me a little bit. But it's mango with tahini, and it's mango with tahini and lots of other ingredients, and you just heard what all those ingredients were. Let me take a taste. I've actually never had mango with all of this stuff on it. Normally when I eat mango, I'm kind of more of a Puritan. I like mango fresh off the seed, but this is my first time to taste it with all this stuff. So let's take a taste and see what it's like. They are really good. The reason it's really good is because you have a really sweet mango with great texture, and then you've got all this really good spice all around it that really kicks in with that sweet. Really good. If you're in Mexico, come get a cup full of mangoes. I promise you won't regret. Thanks for watching Treats from Mexico, everybody.